Hola, bienvenida everyone. Hello, welcome everyone. Yo soy Shivani. I'm Shivani. Estoy aquí para enseñarte español. I'm here to teach you Spanish. In this video tutorial, you guys learn how to know about particular information in Spanish. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to know about information in Spanish. The information will be of any kind: to know about someone name, to know about where someone lives, to know about someone address, to know about if someone know how to do something, like if you want to know about if whether someone know how to cook, how to swim, how to learn, etc., and to know about someone answer. So in this video tutorial, I'm gonna give you complete information about how to know information in Spanish. And guys, let's start today's video tutorial. So first of all, guys, there is a verb known as saber, which means to know in Spanish, and saber is that verb which is used to know about information in Spanish. So saber means to know in Spanish. Guys, one more thing, conocer is also the verb in Spanish which means to know in Spanish. Conocer is also used to know in Spanish. So conocer and saber are the both the verbs which means to know in Spanish. So conocer and saber both means to know in Spanish. So what is the difference between conocer and saber in Spanish? So in Spanish, conocer, we want to know a person or a place, we use conocer. So conocer is a verb which is used to know about a person or place in Spanish, and saber is a verb we use to talk about knowing information and to how to do something. So where we want to know a person or a place, we use conocer, and where we want to know the information about particular thing and to know how to do something, we use saber there. So guys, I hope you clearly understand the difference between saber and conocer. So conocer is used to know about a person and a place, and saber is used to know about someone information. The example of this is conoces a mi madre. Do you know my mother? So my mother here is a person. So we use conocer to know about my mother. So if you want to ask someone, do you know my mother? How can we say conoces a mi madre? Where conoces means do you know, and a mi madre means my mother. An example of saber is sabes quien vive aquí. Do you know who lives here? Here we want to know the information about a person who lives in particular place. So sabes quien vive aquí means do you know who lives here? Sabes means do you know, quien means who, vive means lives, and aquí means here. Sabes quien vive aquí means do you know who lives here. Guys, I'm now giving you one more sentence related to saber. Yo sé cocinar means I know how to cook. Where yo sé means I know, cocinar means how to cook in Spanish. So yo sé cocinar means I know how to cook in Spanish. Guys, now I'm showing you a table in which you can learn how saber is changing according to the person. And saber is a special verb which have special jo form. It means saber is changing into say when it is used with jo. So jo say means I know. So in this table here is a person, here is the verb saber. You can see how saber is changing into different forms with different persons, like yo, tú, él, ella, usted, nosotros, nosotras, ellos, ellas, and ustedes. Where yo means I, tú means you, él, ella means he or she, ustedes means you, nosotros, nosotras means we, ellos, ellas means they, and ustedes means you. So saber means you know, yo sé means I know, tú sabes means you know, él, ella, ustedes sabe means he or she know, nosotros, nosotras sabemos means we know, ellos, ellas saben means they know, and ustedes saben means you know. Guys, in this table you guys clearly understand how saber is changing into different forms with different persons. Now guys, I'm gonna teach you one more point related to today's video. At that point is the phrase como se dice. So como se dice is a phrase is used to say how do you say in Spanish. Where we want to say that how do you say that, we use como se dice here. So como se dice is a phrase used for how do you say that in Spanish. So how do you say means como se dice in Spanish. The example of this is that there. Como se dice gato in Francis? It means do you know how do you say cat in French? So In Spanish, we use como se dice as a phrase for how do you say in Spanish. So, como se dice gato in francés means how do you say cat in French. Gato means cat in Spanish. In francés means in French in Spanish. Como means how. Se dice means do you say. So, guys, one more phrase is there, como se escribe. So, where we want to say how do you write that, we use como se escribe phrase there. Como se escribe means how do you write in Spanish. The example of this is como se escribe perro en español. How do you write dog in Spanish? Como se escribe perro in español means how do you write dog in Spanish. Where como se escribe means how do you write, perro means dog, and español means in Spanish. Guys, now I'm giving you some sentences related to that information. Our first sentence coming to you is ¿Por qué quieres saber su nombre? It means why do you want to know her name? ¿Por qué means why in Spanish. Quieres means do you want. Saber means to know. Su nombre means her name. If we want to say that why do you want to know her name, how can we say that in Spanish? ¿Por qué quieres saber su nombre? Our next sentence coming to you is no sé tu dirección. It means I don't know your address. No sé tu dirección means I don't know your address, where tu dirección means your address in Spanish. So no sé tu dirección means I don't know your address. Our next sentence coming to you is ella no sabe mi nombre. She doesn't know my name. Ella no sabe mi nombre means she doesn't know my name. Guys, I'm gonna give you some words related to today's video lecture. Our first word coming to you is palabra. Palabra means word in Spanish. Palabra means word in Spanish. Edad means age in Spanish. Edad means age in Spanish. Respuesta means answer or response in Spanish. Answer or response means respuesta in Spanish. Dry means maneja in Spanish. Dry means maneja in Spanish. Chinese means chino in Spanish. Chinese means chino in Spanish. And Japanese means japonés. Japanese means japonés in Spanish. Cantar means sing or are singing in Spanish. And canciones means songs in Spanish. Canciones, it means songs in Spanish. How can we say songs in Spanish? Songs means canciones in Spanish. Same means mismos in Spanish. Same is a word used for say. Mismos is a word used to say same in Spanish. Mismos means same in Spanish, and lengua means languages in Spanish. Guys, I'm now giving you some sentences related to that words. Our first sentence coming to you is mi hija no sabe esta palabra. It means my daughter doesn't know this word. Mi hija means my daughter. No sabe means doesn't know. Esta palabra means this word. So mi hija no sabe esta palabra means my daughter doesn't know this word. Our next sentence is no sabe la edad de tu hermano. Don't you know your brother age? Where de edad de tu hermano means your brother age. We want to say someone, don't you know your brother age? How can we say in Spanish? No sabes la edad de tu hermano. Our next sentence is aprendemos palabras en alemán. We learn words in German, where alemán means German in Spanish and aprendemos means we learn. Aprendemos palabras en alemán means we learn words in German. Our next sentence is no sabemos la disputa. We don't know the answer. No sabemos la disputa means we don't know the answer. Our next sentence is ellos saben todos la disputa. We know all the answer. Ellos saben todos la disputa means we know all the answer in Spanish. Our next sentence is no sabemos la edad de nuestro maestro. We don't know the age of our teacher. Nuestro maestro means our teacher in Spanish. La edad de means the age of. No sabemos means we don't know. We don't know the age of our teacher means no sabemos la edad de nuestro maestro. Our next sentence is sabes quién es aquel hombre. Do you know who that man is? Where aquel means that, hombre means man is. Quién means no. Sabes quién es aquel hombre means do you know who that man is? Our next sentence coming to you is ¿Cómo se escribe tu nombre? How do you write your name? ¿Cómo se escribe? ¿Cómo se escribe? How do you write? Tu nombre means your name. So, how do you write your name is ¿Cómo se escribe tu nombre? Our next sentence is no, yo no sé, I don't know. Cuando means when. Es el baile means the dances. So, yo no sé cuándo. Es el baile means I don't know when the dance is. Our next sentence is no sé, I don't know. Cuándo es el concierto. When the concert is. Concierto means concert. Cuándo means when in Spanish. So, I don't know when the concert is means no sé cuándo es el concierto. Our next sentence is no sabemos dónde está el banco. We don't know where the bank is. Donde means where in Spanish. Banco means bank. So, we don't know where the bank is means no sabemos dónde está el banco. Our next word is sabes quién está en el cocina. Do you know who is in the kitchen? Sabes quién está en la cocina means do you know who is in the kitchen. Our next sentence is sabes cuándo es el partido de fútbol. Do you know when the soccer game is? ¿Sabes cuándo es el partido de fútbol means do you know when the soccer game is? Where partido de fútbol means soccer game in Spanish. Our next sentence is tú manejas el carro de tu padre. Do you drive your dad's car? Tú manejas means do you drive. Carro means car. Tu padre means your dad. So, tú manejas el carro de tu padre means do you drive your dad's car. El carro de tu padre means your dad's car. So, tú manejas el carro de tu padre means do you know how do you drive your dad's car. Our next sentence is yo siempre maneja a mi trabajo. I always drive to my work. Trabajo means my work in Spanish. Mi trabajo means my work in Spanish. Manejo means drive. Siempre means always in Spanish. Yo siempre manejo a mi trabajo means I always drive to my work. Our next sentence is Pankaj sabes nadar. Pankaj, do you know how to swim? Where nadar means how to swim in Spanish. Sabes means do you know. So Pankaj sabes nadar means Pankaj, do you know how to swim? Our next sentence is ellos manejan aquellos autobus. Aquellos means those in Spanish and autobuses means buses. Ellos manejan aquellos autobuses. They drive those buses. Our next sentence is ustedes cantan en el concierto hoy. You sing in the concert today. Cantan means sing in Spanish. El concierto means the concert. Hoy means today. So ustedes cantan en el concierto hoy. You sing in the concert today. Our next sentence is son mis canciones favoritos. Son mis canciones favoritos means they are my favorite songs. Son mis canciones favoritas means they are my favorite songs. Our next sentence is tenemos los mismos problemas. We have the same problems. Tenemos los mismos problemas. We have the same problems. Our next sentence is me encanta esta canción. I love this song. Me encanta means I love in Spanish. Esta canción means this song in Spanish. So, me encanta esta canción means I love this song in Spanish. So, that's all for today, guys. I hope you really like my video. If you really like my videos, please like, share and comment on languages for all channel. And please subscribe to my channels. Until then, adios and gracias por mirar. Goodbye and thank you for watching.